Botball 2026 Stack Attack. Across the world, modern supply chains rely on fleets of autonomous systems to keep communities connected, delivering food, medicine, and materials. But this year, a massive global data synchronization glitch has struck. The AI network controlling the world's smart warehouses has gone offline, halting the automated flow of goods and leaving pallets, crates, and packaging scattered in disarray. With distribution centers overwhelmed and humanity depending on rapid restoration, BotGuy has been called to action once again. Armed with the latest robotics technology, BotGuy and the Botball community are deploying autonomous warehouse robots to restore order to chaos. These agile machines must coordinate under pressure, sort and stack crates by type and color, and return empty packaging bins to the proper stations. The teams that demonstrate the best coordination, creativity, and innovation will lead the charge in reprogramming the future of logistics. This year's Botball Challenge celebrates the real-world applications of AI, automation, and robotics in global infrastructure. It highlights how technology, guided by human ingenuity, can rebuild resilience in systems that connect people and possibilities around the planet. Can your robots bring order to the warehouse and help BotGuy reboot the world's supply chain? The future of automation begins here, in your hands. Botball 2026 Stack Attack. Innovation on the front line of global logistics.